All right, we all saw what happens with the drill. Let's see what happens with the sander. First, we're going to do a sound check. And now with a high output. Sounds a little worse. Or maybe this sounds worse. Sounds faster. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And oh yeah, probably not good for the tools. We're not done yet. Let's give it a sound check. Here we go on high. Also on high. Hard to tell a difference. Let's try this guy. Recip time. Milwaukee time. Oh, you poor tools. Impact. Oh, speed 3. Speed 3. Holy crap. Well, there's your results.